This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg vapa. Start by gathering fresh eggs, clean water, salt, and a steamer or a pot. Crack one egg into a small dish to check freshness and avoid shells in the steamer. Maintain medium heat so water simmers gently and steam cooks eggs evenly. Time eggs for desired doneness and always transfer to an ice bath to halt cooking and ease peeling. Start with simple, friendly prep that makes a big difference. Bring tools together like a steamer basket, pot, and timer so nothing is frantic. Let eggs come to room temperature to reduce cracking and promote even heat transfer. Add a pinch of salt to the water to season subtly. Keep a small dish for cracking eggs and an ice bath ready so you can move quickly once eggs finish steaming. Timing is where egg vapa gets predictable and satisfying. Aim for roughly 6 minutes for a soft yolk and up to 12 minutes for a fully set yolk. Adjust to taste. Keep the lid closed to hold steady steam and resist peaking, which drops temperature. Use a timer and try one test egg to dial in your perfect doneness. Once you know the timing, you can steam batches reliably every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.